Welcome to another episode of GHANAFUNTUBE. Today I'm in Oxford Street. I'm in London. Today is Saturday and the time is 1 o'clock. So I'm going to vlog. I'm going to take you down Oxford Street. Then we're going to explore this beautiful place, this shopping district. So just stay on. Let's vlog. Right. Right, let's continue vlogging now. That was a very close one. Right, it's very busy today. So at the moment I'm just walking down to see if I could get to Regent Street. It's busy day. You know the tradition, if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to the channel. Right. All right. Yeah, and I also tried to see if I could get to a Regent Street or get some locals or get some English fans to react to the match tomorrow. Beautiful place, beautiful place.
You should all.
I'm loving this place already. I don't know how much battery got, but let me see. I got about 60%. I believe we can get 30 minutes out of Oxford Street. Beautiful place. Oh, guess what? Where I am? So I'm on Bond Street. So that means Bond Street is just a few minutes from here. Bond Street is quite famous for all these designer labels and big shops. So I'll take you there. Right, so I think we're just in I believe Bond Street is down there. Let me just navigate my way. Right. While I'm waiting, thinking about where Bond Street is. Let's see. Right. I believe that's Bond Street, right? Let's see. Shall we walk there? It's a beautiful street though. Yeah, let's explore there. Right. Right. Let's explore this beautiful street. And you know what, let me know wherever you're watching from. Please do let me know in the comment section so that next time when I'm in London I can give you a shout out. Beautiful place. I'm loving London so far. Amazing place. Can't wait for the game tomorrow though. If you're watching the game, please do let me know in the comment section. It's crazy out there. Beautiful. Man, if you live in London or if you've ever been to London, please do let me know in the comment section. At the moment I'm walking on the beautiful street. I believe it's Bond Street.
And I'm like,
beautiful.
So I've left it for the moment.
Amazing. I'm trying to work my way out. I don't know whether we're in Bond Street. I don't know. It's a beautiful street though. Oh, guess what I just found? Bimba by Lola. Beautiful shop. And if you watch my previous vlog, I show you this beautiful shop. They do some amazing ladies bags and also there's a lot of goodies in there. So if you haven't watched my London vlog, please go into the videos. There's a beautiful video about Bimba by Lola. So if you're in London, pop in here, get something for your family member. All right. Hi.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Do you want to say hello?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Thank you. Thank you very much. GHANAFUNTUBE.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh my god, that's amazing. Whew. Oh, okay, so where we are now, we are currently in South Molton Street. It's W1, so you can imagine. It's very expensive, yeah. That's where we are. Beautiful place, beautiful place. So the plan was to get here to do some reaction video about what the game is going to be like tomorrow. What are we going to bring it home? But so far, let me vlog first, then I'll get to the other side, Oxford Street, to see if I can get some fans to talk to us. Right, so at the moment I'm just chilling. I'm just walking on this beautiful street, showing you these beautiful corners. So this is just behind Oxford Street. So if you're on Oxford Street, you just have to pop behind. This beautiful street is just down here. Right, so we're just about to end this particular vlog. I will What's that?
A gift.
A gift?
Yeah, because you will film me.
What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. I like your tattoo.
Cheers.
Thank you very much. Yeah?
Is this the same Yaki?
No, it's not. It's Zara. Yeah, I'm just doing a YouTube video.
Oh, that's nice.
What's the name of this street?
South Molton Street.
South Molton Street. Beautiful place.
Where
Yeah.
are you from?
I'm from Ghana originally, but I live in Bristol. Yeah. Yeah. So what do you guys do? It's in a restaurant.
We make people happy.
Oh, like make people look plump. Is that right? I can bring my wife.
So we can buy it as a gift for fun.
Let me just finish vlogging, then I'll probably come over. No, seriously. Yeah, she's in self-fridges. Yeah, so, yeah. What's your name again?
Alex.
Alex. Nice to meet you.
Recognize I'm the only one with the neck tattoo.
Yeah, so give me a few minutes, let me finish vlogging. Right, thank you, man. All right. So that was Alex. He was showing me this. So if you're in London, you want to give yourself a little bit treat. That shop down there, they'll make you look good. Look, there's the name. There's the name. Right, so let's continue vlogging. Let's go back to Oxford Street and then finish this part of the vlog. Then I'll probably get some reaction videos for you guys. Right, and also the tradition, if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to this channel. You know, this is what we give you. We give you raw content. We give you raw content of England, Scotland, Europe, Africa, everywhere. So let's continue. I'm just excited a little bit because it's a beautiful day. England is playing tomorrow. They're bringing it home. It's just amazing. I can't wait for tomorrow's game though. Can't wait. All right, so at the moment I'm just trying to get to Oxford Street, then I'll end the vlog from there. Then I'll get some reaction video for you guys to watch about tomorrow's game. Right. Beautiful. London is so beautiful. I've never seen London so beautiful like this. I think I still have to walk down there, probably show you guys a bit more of this beautiful place. Oh, look behind me, that's Ralph Lauren shop. Should we sit there and grab a coffee or something, guys? I think we should. Why not? Let's see if we can find a table to grab a coffee or gin or something. Right. Let's grab a table. Right. Hiya. Hiya. Can I have a table or something?
Don't have any free at the moment, sorry.
Okay.
It's just first come, first served basis. What's
Probably
going
just-
on here today?
I'm just vlogging.
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
YouTube?
YouTube, yeah. What's your name?
My name's India. again.
Yeah, I know you have a Wimbledon one.
Wimbledon, of course, they're the ground floor and other sponsors.
I know, that's amazing. Do you watch football sometimes?
It's coming home.
Sure. What's the score tomorrow? 4-0?
3-0?
3-0?
3-0,
I think
thinking.
4-0.
Are you going to Wembley yourself?
No. I'll be sitting in my big sofa and drinking a lot of beer.
Enjoy.
Yes, I'll probably hang around.
Yeah, so just wait around for the table, and if you see one, then you can take a seat. There's a few inside as well.
Oh, no problem. All right, thank you. Yeah, so I'm just trying to see if I can get a table to grab a coffee or something. So hopefully we can continue this vlog. Let's pause for now and then grab, yeah. Hiya, how are you?
Hi,
Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube vlog for a channel called GHANAFUNTUBE.
Cool.
How is your day going?
yeah, I'm good, thanks, man. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very, very good. A beautiful place. Is it kind of like a sponsorship going on here?
Yeah, so Ralph Lauren make the Wimbledon gear.
Yeah.
So for the umpires and for the ball boys and that. So
Oh.
that's what we're promoting today.
Oh, okay. Because I think I've seen this kind of uniform in Wimbledon.
Yeah, in Wimbledon, this is what the umpires wear. So that's why we got the umpires' chairs. behind us. We
Amazing,
sit after the
amazing.
chairs, so-
What's your name?
Kyle.
Kyle.
Kyle, yes.
What do you do originally? Are you a model or something?
I do modelling.
Oh, wow.
And I do personal training as well. So.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So guys, if you're watching, it's a model, it's a personal trainer. So if you want to contact him, come to the shop in Bond Street. You probably get his contact details from there.
My contact is Kyle Vosper, Kylevosper. If you add me on Instagram,
Okay.
That's where you get my personal training.
Amazing, amazing. So guys, you got it. So he'll get your beach body ready, and also look at the full view. He'll make sure you stay in shape. So follow him, contact him, DM, slide into the DM. Don't be shy. So that's it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful.
man.
Oh, just I forgot. Are you watching the game tomorrow?
Yes, yeah, I'm watching it in Mile End, but then I'll probably go for the street party afterwards. If we win.
Do you think we'll bring it home?
I don't want to say yet. Mate. I don't wanna say,
It's coming. Come on, say it, man.
Potentially. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
I don't want to tempt fate.
I believe it's 4-0, man.
Yeah,
Because the boys are giving us a lot of hope.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Alright, brother.
All right, cheers.
Safe, man.
All right, so I'm in London. I'm in Regent Street. The plan is to get some reaction videos for you guys, and also I plan to talk to some English fans to see if you have any chance or if you're bringing it home tomorrow. So hopefully I can get to my destination and also get some fans to talk to us about tomorrow's game. All right, so let's talk to them. Let's where are the fans? Let me find them. Let's talk to them. Hello! Are you guys having fun? Yeah! I'm here, you too! Have a good day! Hey! It's coming home! It's coming!